Hello viewers, my name is Faisal. In this video, I am going to show you how to configure DHCP protocol services for router to end devices and static protocol services for router to router. So first of all, for making this video, I need design network, and after that, I configure network using static routing protocol for router to router and DHCP for router to end devices. So for making network design, so I need end devices, some networking devices. So I need two routers. So basically I use the 281 on router and another and other router, that's the 281 on router 1. So I need two switches. I select the I use 2960 router and some end devices. So that's PC, laptop, PC, and printer. So for computing for end devices and some networking devices. So now I connect all the devices each other. So for connecting, basically we use the copper state wire. So now I connect through copper state wire from PC to switch. So and connect switch to route laptop. So similarly, router to switch connect using copper state wire, and so similarly just connect copper state wire using and connect to PC1 to switch and connect the switch and printer. So basically there are two different network. So I merge this network or connect the two different network using copper cross wire. So using copper cross wire. So one local network and the second one local network. So and they are communicate with each other. So basically first of all I check the DHCP services is on or not. So just close to the desktop and just press on the DHCP. So requesting IP addresses. So please wait. So DHCP failed and API is being used. So just corresponding. So corresponding and text static. So I use basically the 10.0.0.1 and the 10.0.0.2, and in local network using 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.2. Okay, 10.2 now. So sorry, it's the 20.1. So it's the different network. So 20 plus 1. So I use. So it's called the static root. Static root, and it's the DHCP root, and the DHCP root. Okay. So first of all, now showing how to configure the DHCP. So let's go to the router and the CLI, and the first one the CLI and the no. So the N or FD and int FA 0/0 IP at 192.168.10.1. exit. So now I configure the DHCP for using some commands. So first command is IP DHCP goal. I use a name. Put the A and the DHCP network. Interface 192.168.10.0 to 255.255.255.0. This is the subnet mask. So the default gateway or the default DFAULT 168.10.1. Now the exit, the IPDSCP. The IPDSCP exe or 192.168.4.10.4 to 192.168.10.254 and the exit. Okay. So on FT int FA0/1 IP at 190 IP at 10.1 10.0.0.1 255.255.255.0. No start. Okay. Exit. Similarly, the DHCP routing is successful. So first of all, that's for the stake. Now I stake. No. So press the desktop and goes to the desktop and press the DHCP. Such DHCP services is 1. So DHCP services is 1. The IP address is 192.168.10.2. 255.2 default subnet mask and default gateway is 192.168.10.1. So now I configure the DHCP router for router 1. So goes to the router and CLI and so similarly and on FT and F0. So check 18 just check. So 7. So sorry. F0/0 IP at 192.168.20.1 20.1.255.255.0. No start. Exit. IPDS for the net. 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0 default 192.168.10.20.1 exit IPDSCP except ex except 192.168 point so 1 point or 20.1 to 192.168.20.10. Okay, exit. Okay, so TSV services is 1 and so for now enable our services for exit and connect shutdown. Okay, all configuration is complete. So now I check that DHCP services is on or not. So goes to the laptop and check on it. Just DHCP, the DHCP address is 192.1.10.3 and also is completed. And the local network 2 for check the network 2 goes to the IP and DHCP configuration. So 11, so it's okay, and so page 1 and that's the DHCP services, 10.20 and first net is 20. Okay, so it's okay. So now I check messages going or message passes or not. So for message for sent from PC0 to laptop 0, so it's successful. PC0 to router 0 is successful. PC0 to laptop 0 failed. PC0 to switch 0 failed. PC to router to router is in process. Router to router is successful. And check that PC1 to printer is successful. So now it's text from the PC to PC0 to PC1, so successful. Just printer to laptop, printer successful. So I use some another way for checking message or text is passes or not. So for local network 1 to local network 2. So from local network 1, so from network 1, so just press on the PC, goes to the terminal. So sorry, goes to the run and prompt. So just ping 18. So ping is the 192.168.20.2, 20.11. Okay. So ping reply. So reply from Eto to Eto is so it's replying. So it's all right. So now I ping another IP addresses. So the IP, so ping that's the 2. So ping time basically ping at that data. So wait, this is the timeout. So I am not using 192.168.20.1 this kind of IP addresses for local network 2. So thanks to show my video. So keep subscribe my channel. So and like my video. So thank you very much. That's just on my channel.